Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the initial value theorem as well as the final value theorem. So what is this initial value theorem and final value theorem states is the purpose of initial value theorem is used to find the initial value of the time function. So the initial value of the time function I am going to call it as f of 0 plus this I can write on it as limit t initial value is nothing but t turning to 0 plus the given function is f of t. So here this theorem is used to find the initial value of the network, or this is used to find the initial value of the function f of t. What is the meaning here is so actually we have a switch like this. The switch was open for a time of, it was open in an interval of 0 minus. So up to the interval of 0 to 0 minus, it was in which condition? Open condition. Just it was closed at t equal to 0, then this interval is called as a t equal to 0 plus. At t equal to 0 plus, the switch is closed. Okay, this how this instant is called just before switching, and this is called just after switching. So to find what was the current, the initial current before switching in the network, this is nothing but to find the initial value of the function f of t. So this I can write down. So here we can understand time and frequency are inversely related. So whenever t is 0, then automatically frequency is infinity. So this I can write down limit frequency is turning to 0 where s is called frequency. S is equal to j omega. So j into omega can be written as 2 pi f. Just try to understand s is in frequency domain where this is called s is equal to j omega. It's nothing but limit s tends to infinity s into f of s. Okay, so this finding the initial value of the inductor or capacitor, finding the initial value of the function f of t, the initial current across the capacitor or the voltage across the capacitor, we can find out by using initial value theorem. So this is used to find the initial value of the function f of t, where it is also called. So t tending to infinity is also nothing but s tending to infinity is also called t tending to infinity. Just multiply that function s into f of s, then you will get the initial value of the function. Now, what is the final value theorem? So this theorem is also used to find the final value of the function. This is used to find the final value of the given network function f of t. Okay, so this I can write down it as, so final value means the switch was, this is called t minus is called just before switching or the position of the inductor. So this is called just before switching. So t equal to 0 plus is called just after switching. Just after switching. But after switching, the switch has been closed and it is in on condition for a time of t equal to infinity. That infinity may be for 1 minute or 2 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, so initially understand that it can we are connected to a fan. Okay, and we are giving some AC supply to the fan. Just the switch was in off condition at a position t equal to 0 minus. By taking a time t equal to 0, we closed the switch and automatically the switch was in which position now after closing t equal to 0 plus. And now as soon as the switch is closed, the fan starts rotating. As soon as the fan starts rotating, it is rotated for a time of t equal to 1 minute, or take it as the fan has been operated for 1 hour. Therefore, t equal to infinity is nothing but 1 hour. This I can write down f at is equal to infinity. This infinity, let's try to take, our fan is operated for a time of 1 hour. So that I can write down, which is nothing but limit, and this this is operated for a time of t equal to infinity. The given function f of t, we can write down it as limit s value is tending to 0 s into the given function f of s. So this will give the final value of the network function. So the switch was closed for a time of t equal to infinity, multiplied with f of t, then automatically if t is infinity, so the time and frequency are inversely related. If t is infinity, indirectly what would be the frequency? 0. It's nothing but f is tending to 0 or s is tending to 0. Multiply the given function f of s with the value of s. Therefore, this is called the final value theorem, or how to find the final value of the given function. This is to find the initial value of the given function, where these theorems are called initial value theorems and final value theorems. Hope you are able to understand. The purpose of initial value theorem is used to find the initial value of f of t. Final value of theorem is used to find the final value at t equal to infinity. We have three instants of switching. 0 minus is called just before switching, 0 plus is called just after switching, and the switch remains to run in that closed condition for 1 hour, where this is called t is equal to infinity or s tends to infinity. Both are the same. If you are able to understand this theorem, please give an like to the video, share the same to your friends, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel for more updates on this subject. So kindly support this sort of channel for the benefit of staff and faculty. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the another video.